Welcome to Dr. UcheChukuw's Health Channel. I'm thrilled to have you here. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Whether you're a returning subscriber or new to our community, I'm excited to share today's topic with you. Today, we're diving into the world of natural detox with a delicious and refreshing drink. This drink is not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients that can help rejuvenate your body. This isn't about complicated diets or expensive supplements. It's about embracing the power of nature and using simple, everyday ingredients to enhance our well-being. It's about simple, natural ways to feel your best. By incorporating fresh fruits and vegetables into our daily routine, we can make a significant impact on our health. We'll explore the power of pineapple and cucumber. These two ingredients are not only refreshing, but also have incredible detoxifying properties. These amazing ingredients can help cleanse your body naturally. Pineapple is rich in vitamins and enzymes, while cucumber is hydrating and soothing. Getting healthy doesn't have to be hard. With just a few simple steps, you can start feeling more energetic and vibrant. Join me as we explore this easy way to boost your health. I'll guide you through the process of making this detox drink and share tips on how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Are you ready to feel amazing? Let's get started. Together, we'll embark on this journey to better health and well-being. Our bodies are amazing. They are intricate systems designed to keep us healthy and thriving. They work hard every day to eliminate toxins and maintain balance. These toxins come from various sources like pollution in the air, processed foods we consume, and the stress we experience daily. Over time, these toxins can accumulate in our bodies, making us feel tired, sluggish, and less vibrant. Detoxing is a way to help your body get rid of these harmful substances, rejuvenating your system. When you detox, you support your organs, like the liver and kidneys, to function more efficiently. This can lead to numerous benefits, including increased energy levels, glowing skin, and a stronger immune system. Remember, adopting a healthy lifestyle, which includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mindfulness practices, is crucial for long-term well-being and happiness. Pineapple and cucumber are like superheroes for your health. Pineapple is a tropical fruit packed with bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces inflammation. Cucumber is a natural diuretic. This means it helps flush out toxins through your urine. Cucumbers are also full of antioxidants that fight cell damage. Together, pineapple and cucumber create a powerful detoxifying duo that can leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Your recipe for a refreshing detox drink. This drink is perfect for cleansing your body and refreshing your mind. Here's a simple recipe to make this amazing drink at home. It's quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. You'll need 1 cup of chopped pineapple, which is rich in vitamins and adds a sweet tropical flavor, half a cup of sliced cucumber, known for its hydrating properties and refreshing taste, and 1 cup of water to blend everything together smoothly. How to make this perfect drink by blend everything until smooth. Make sure all the ingredients are well combined. Strain the mixture for a smoother texture. This step ensures you get a clear, refreshing drink. You can adjust the ingredients to your liking. Feel free to add more pineapple or cucumber based on your preference. Add a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor. Lemon not only enhances the taste, but also adds a boost of vitamin C. Drink this delicious beverage first thing in the morning or as a refreshing pick-me-up throughout the day. It's a great way to start your day or to re-energize yourself. Embrace a healthier you. Start incorporating this delicious drink into your routine and see the difference. Remember, small changes can make a big impact on your health journey. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to live healthier lives. Thank you for joining me today. I wish you all good health and happiness.